Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nelson's Creativity and Gardening. And after seeing the setup today, I hope you might have realized what is the subject today. Yes, dear friends, today we'll be talking about sansevieриas. Now these sansevieриas are found in multiple types, multiple ways, multiple colors, and I will try to focus on some of my loved sansevieриas. Yes, my very first sansevieria, if you see here, is a nice green and yellow. Look at the foliage, the green and yellow. You see the colors? It's a green and yellow, and it doesn't grow big. It's in the it just looks like a lotus. Wherever, on the other hand, I also have a yellow and green big one. Do you look? You look at this. These are also called snake plants. Do you see how long the leaf is? And these both, if you compare, are similar. They both have yellow borders, a kind of green variegation in the middle. So this is a small variety. However, that was a bigger one. I'll focus on some more sansevieриas of mine. Look at the green one. Green one. Do you see here? This is a small plant. Yes, this is a small green one, and this is a very small variety. Now I'll focus on another one. Look here. I'll show you the plant. See, this is also a nice green variegated one. And then we have another green one that I'll show you. This was the very small one. That was a little big one. And look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the beauty. The dark green and the light green, the whitish shade. Do you see that? I've planted it in a beautiful pot. Just look at my owl sitting here. The green owl with this green variegated, the long one. This was the green one. It has little dark green color. If we look at this one, this is very dark green with very light colors. And this is another one, a small one, that is here. So these are sansevieриas. They are also known as snake plants. They come in different sizes, varieties. I'd shown you earlier this yellow one. Here's another one. Just look at the curl of the leaf. Just look at the curl of this leaf. I'll show you this way. See, beautiful curl. Beautiful curl. Do you see this here? And then I'll show you another one that I have. Just look at the new leaf, the color of the new leaf. Do you see the variegation here? Nice, beautiful yellow, dark green color in the middle, and the white thing, the texture that's here. So this is really another beautiful one, and this is a new sprout that has started coming up from this yellow ones. I had these yellow ones, and these are really beautiful long ones, but the green ones are really good. These plants are very much in demand these days because they give a lot of oxygen. These plants have been said as the best oxygen generating plants. Now friends, here I would also like to tell you, the dark green one, this one, is more in demand. These plants are strong plants, they are hardy plants, and if you see, I just planted this long leaf that you see trailing like a snake from here. Just see the size of the leaf. I'll show you another size of the leaf. See here, the trail going under that, and if you see the pot, it's just a little bottle here. So these are sansevieриas, and they are very good oxygen generating plants. They give out a lot of oxygen. They can be grown indoor as well as outdoors. However, growing indoor these days is in demand because these plants, they give nice oxygen, and that is why they are a lot of in demand. Earlier people never recognized the utility of this plant and used to think that maybe these are some thorny plants, snake plants, and are of not much use. But now the demand of this plant has suddenly increased. It is also a beauty. Just look at, I'll focus on the pot as well. If I put this plant internally, it's a beautiful indoor plant, indoor decoration for me. Same goes with my owl there. This is another one in a ceramic pot, good for indoor plant. But then I also put them on my roof here. So these are the ones that you can place inside, outside. They are strong, hardy plants. They do not need much care, and of course they are beautiful and very good oxygen generating plants. So friends, till then, these are my sensitive areas. I hope you liked my video. Do like, subscribe to my channel, Nelson's Great Creativity and Gardening. I'll focus on some of my flowers more, the bloom here. Okay then friends, take care, stay safe. Till then, bye bye.